keep the engine's best working condition, it's important to grind the cylinder accurately and effectively. The 5-piece spin valve's pneumatic grinding machine. The main part is formed by finishing, and the surface is chrome-plated. There are 4 rubber caps, including 45 mm, 35 mm, 30 mm, and 20 mm. You can choose the suitable one according to the cylinder size. Now we start working on the cylinder. You can see the reciprocating bar works more and more quickly. It's actually controlled by the spin valve. Rotate the valve to control the air intake, and the speed changes accordingly, so the machine can work either heavier or lighter. In the grinding process, the operator must adjust the speed according to the actual situation in order to reach the best grinding effect. After finishing the grinding work, the cylinder will become smooth and bright. Compared with normal hand tools, it's more efficient, precise, and energy-saving.